Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adam Akmal bin Hasbullah and my registration number is 14DKM21F1072. This is the group member that been working for this slide. Today, my group want to present a slide and the slide topic is color and vector. Okay, this is the introduction for this topic. In this topic, explain about the basic operations of vector and scalar quantities, including their use in solving the problems. This topic also explains the method for determining angle between two vectors as well as the characteristic of triple vector scalar products. Vector expression is a scalar quantity is defined as the physical quantity with only magnitude and no direction, while a vector quantity is defined as the physical quantity that has both directions as well as magnitude. This is the differences between a scalar and vector. In definition, vector, a physical quantity with both the magnitude and direction. Scalar, a physical quantity with only magnitude. Then representation. Vector, a number, magnitude, direction using unit cap or arrow at the top and unit. Scalar, a number, magnitude, and unit. Then symbol. Vector, quantity symbol in bold and an arrow sign above. Scalar, quantity symbol. Then direction. Vector have direction while scalar don't have direction. Example, vector is velocity and acceleration while scalar is mass and temperature. What is the area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram is a region covered by a parallelogram in a two-dimensional plane. In geometry, a parallelogram is a two-dimensional figure with four sides. It is a special case of the quadrilateral where opposite sides are equal and parallel. The area of a parallelogram is the space enclosed within its four sides. Area is equal to the product of length and height of the parallelogram. How to find the area of triangle and parallelogram? Area of triangle is 1/2 multiplied by base and height. This also be written as area equal base multiply height divided by 2. The height is always the perpendicular distance from the base to the top of the triangle. Of parallelogram, base multiplied by height. The height is the perpendicular distance from the base to the top of the shape. As with the rectangle, we can use division to calculate one of the lengths given the area. Base equal area divide height, height area divide base. Almost for the area of parallelogram triangle. Triangle, area of triangle. Area equal 1/2 multiplied by base and multiplied by perpendicular height.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Din Haikal bin Syukur and my registration number is 14DKM21F1053. Today I would like to solve the example 1. So the example 1 is a diff want to go to the bank in the position of vector u1, -2, 5 because he want to commit robbery. Between the distance of the diff to the bank is at vector v 2, 0, -1. The diff needs to find the scalar area of his position to the bank. So how to solve this is you need to write u multiplied by v equals to ijk, y -2, 5 and 2, 0, -1. After that equals to I -2, 5, 0, -1 and -j, 1, 5, 2, -1 plus k, 1, -2, 2, 0. After that it will equals to 2i minus -1 minus 10 j plus 1 plus 4k. And also you need to use formula of area of parallelogram. U multiplied by V equals to divided 2 square plus 11 square plus 4 square and equals to 11.87 unit square. And also the area of triangle like y square, U multiplied by y equals to 1 per 2, 11.87 equals to 5.93 unit square. That is all from me. And now I will give to the next presenter, Haikal bin Zulkifli.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Haikal bin Zulkifli. My matrix number is 40 DKM 21 F1055. I want to explain about example question 2. Question. To Abah want to set up a net around the pond fish behind his house to prevent reanimate from entering his farm pond fish. To Abah need to find the area of the pond fish to find out the total number of net that need to be installed. Formulanya ialah AB sama dengan AO tambah OB sama dengan kurungan 5 -6 -3 tambah 4 -1 -0. Formulanya ialah AB sama dengan AO tambah OB dalam kurungan 5 -6 -3 tambah dengan 4 -1 -0. Jawapannya ialah -1 -7 -3. BC pula sama dengan BO tambah OC dalam kurungan -4 -1 -0 tambah 3 -2 -1. Jawapannya ialah -1 -3 -1. AB darab AC dapat I K -1 -7 -3 -1 3 1 sama dengan I darab -7 darab -3 darab positif 3 darab positif 1. Negatif J darab -1 darab -3 darab -1 darab positif 1. Positif K darab -1 darab -7 darab -1 darab positif 3. Jumlah -7 tambah 9 I tolak -1 tolak 3 J tambah 3 tambah 7 K. Jumlah keseluruhan 2I tambah 4J tambah 10K. Area of parallelogram AB darab BC. Rangka 2 -2 tambah 4 -2 tambah 10 -2 dapat 10.95 unit kuasa 2. Area of triangle 1/2 AB darab BC sama dengan 1/2 kurungan 10.95. Jawapannya ialah 5.47 unit kuasa 2. Sekian, terima kasih.
Assalamualaikum and good morning, good afternoon, good evening and good night to everyone. My name is Ahmad Azizi bin Azahari and my matrix number is 14 DKM 21 F1 063. So now I will present to you about the question of vector and scalar. I will take the example 3. I read the question first. A doctor from work on his way to a restaurant to buy lunch at point A 010. Once in the restaurant, point B 2 -2 5. The journey from the restaurant to the house, point C 3 -1.5. The doctor needs to find the area as he walks between the restaurant to the house. And so, I will show you the solution of the example 3. First, we need to write AB equals to AO plus OB equals to, in parentheses, negative 0, negative 1, negative 0, plus, in parentheses, 2, negative 2, 5, equal to, in parentheses, 2, negative 3, 5. After that, we need to write AC equal to AO plus OC, and then equal, in parentheses, negative 0, negative 1, and negative 0, plus, in parentheses, 3, negative 1.5. And then when we calculate it, we get, in parentheses, 3, negative 2, 5. After that, we need to write the AB times AC, and then we get I, J, K, 2, negative 3, 5, 3, negative 2, 5. We get I, negative 3, 5, negative 2, 5. Negative J, 2, 5, 3, 5. Plus K, 2, negative 3, 3, 2. Then, when we calculate it, we get negative 5I plus 5J plus 5K. And then, after we get it, we need to find the area of parallelogram equals to AB times AC and equals to square root, in parentheses, negative 5 square plus, in parentheses, 5 square plus, in parentheses, 5 square. And when we calculate it using the calculator, and we get equals to 8.66 unit square. And then, after we find the answer of area of parallelogram, we need to find the area of triangle. The area of triangle is 1/2, in parentheses, AB plus AC equals to 1/2, in parentheses, and then you put the answer of area of parallelogram, that is 8.66. So when we calculate it using the calculator, we get 4.33 unit square, and that's the answer of the example 3. So after I finish to answer this question, and this is the last question in our presentation, so thank you to you all. Bye.